Ladies and gentlemen.
Well, hello, and welcome to another belt testing video from Fitness Technology. So this is actually a service call that I'm running, and this particular customer had called in for service, I guess it's about a month ago, sir. And so we ordered the parts, we're coming back out. This original belt right here, even though it looks perfect, and he was really shocked because he's really kept up with maintenance, but with him on it for more than, I think it was a 40-second walk, it was given into the 11 amps. So no matter what the belt looks like, and it may look like it's in perfect, pristine condition, but that won't really matter. What matters is how hard it's working, and the bottom half of this belt is wore out. And I get this question, I couldn't tell you, all the time. This morning I answered two YouTube emails based off of, I don't know why my machine's not running, my belt's fine. That's two just this morning. So hang on, I'll get you to step two. All right, so the other way that you can test your walking belt is walk on the outside edges where it says Sole and get an idea how hard it is to push it. This is with the machine turned completely off. Okay, now he's gonna walk in the center and let me know if it's, yeah, see, you can hardly even push it in the center. So this walk belt is clearly worn. All right, so I'll get back with you after I change the belt and we'll see what the difference is. So if you don't have a fancy amp meter of any kind whatsoever, just do the walk belt test. Now the customer's going to walk on the outside edges, walk on the, get an idea how hard that is. Now walk in the center. See, now before we did that with the original belt, he couldn't move it in the center. Is it relatively the same? It's much easier. All right, so that's how you test your walking belt. Even if your machine is brand new, do this walking belt test so you know when it's wearing as time goes on, and maybe do it every 6 months so that you can replace the belt before it damages something else. All right, that's really it for this video. Thanks a lot.